And in 2010, I came to Germany, and I spent 2 years, or more than 2 years, fighting, really fighting against Bundeswehr, and to let me to stay. And I did it after maybe 2.5 years. I'm living now here in Hanover, in Oberklingen.
Ask in English. Ask in English. Ask in English.
Where do you want to live in 10 years?
Sorry, I misunderstood. For me, it's not a question where can I live, it's a question of how can I help my people in Sudan to live in freedom and in dignity. And this question can be answered while I'm here in Germany or in Sudan or in whatever place. The issue is the dignity of Sudanese people, not my personal life.